All right, so this is the S&P on the daily chart, and I don't mind telling those of you that are not in any of our products right now that today is a top. It's normally a top in the S&P, and there are certain levels that if we close below are going to be very important for the market. And that means that we would be expecting a decline from a top like what we're seeing. So I hope that's useful to you. We've laid out exactly what that decline would be and even when that decline would complete those targets to the downside. But in the meantime, the market's actually still in a position for potentially higher prices, not higher necessarily than today's high, although that could happen, but it has to happen relatively soon because today is the on-time day for a top here. So just keep all that in mind. If you're new or are not in a subscription getting this information, there's a lot more information you can get, but that's the basic information that we're operating off of right now. We did forecast this morning that the S&P would be moving up from down here all the way up to 41.60 to 65. And we have now made a high since then at 41.60.50. And the market is trying to still test those levels. Here's, as an example, here's a 15-minute view of the market right now. So by having reached the 60 to 65 level, that's all they really, quote unquote, need to do. But there can be a little bit more if they want to put it in. So we're kind of out of that trade at this point, but there may be something else that we do with the S&P between between now and the end of today / early tomorrow. So we're kind of excited about seeing the prospect for a top